Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Bluey. Bluey is outside in nature. What's in your basket, Bluey? It's Bluey's nature basket. What did you find today? Oh, it's a beautiful crystal. Wow. Uh-oh. The clouds are coming in and it's starting to rain. It's time to go inside. Bluey has a craft for us today. It's the Bluey Spirograph. It's a spiral design maker. And we can make different designs. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. Let's open it up. It has a blue hook on it, like a keychain, so Bluey can attach it to her backpack. And there's no pieces to lose because this piece is locked inside of the circle. Okay, I have a blue pencil crayon. It looks like it needs a little sharpening. Oh, sorry, Bluey. So we have our chalk. Oh, don't bite the pencil. Oh, Lala. No bite. She likes the sparkles. Oh, no, this isn't food and it's not a toy. So let's sharpen. So we put it in the chocolate bar and we turn. Oh, what's going on, Lala? And it's nice and hard. Oh my, be careful. Poor Bluey. Are you okay, Bluey? I'm okay. So now we need to pick our design. I don't know how we're going to do this. Lala's being silly. Don't you? So we're going to pick this design here and we have to find this hole in the spirograph. It looks like a bar of gold. So this is the design that we're going to need. Oh, and I think Lala broke the tip of our pencil crayon. Oh, no, can we do the design, sweetie? Thank you. Tiny fans want to see how it works. Oh. Okay. I think she likes sparkly objects. Okay, can we do the design, sweetie? Okay. So this is going to be hard. Okay. Oh! Our kitties are very playful. And they had some outside time today. And I pick long grass and I play with them in the yard. And they love to chase grasshoppers. They're very playful. Aren't you? Aren't you? You just need to be played with. Our animals need lots of love and attention. Don't you? Whee! Okay, I think Lala has settled down a bit. And maybe she's getting a little sleepy. So let's give this be nice. Let's give this another try. So we gotta, no, let go. So we go and trace, and then this little piece in the middle turns all on its own. Okay, I'm all finished. Let's see how it looks. Yay! We made a flower shape. And it was so easy too. And now it's nappy time. Lala is cuddled up on the grass. Get some good sleep, Lala. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.